With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked that in human females, the blastocyst, right? So if we discuss what the blastocyst is in case of the human females, first of all. So blastocyst is any structure, right? It is a structure which is formed in the early development, of mammals. So it basically consists of the inner cell mass. It possesses of the inner cell mass which give rise to embryo further, and it is formed of a layer of cells, and those layer of cells is known as the trophoblast. So it is lined by a layer of cells which is known as the trophoblast. Right, so we discuss here, so the implantation is initiated when the blastocyst comes in contact with the uterine wall. So implantation occurs when the blastocyst comes in contact with the uterine wall, or we can say the uterus. Right, so basically it possesses an inner cell mass that we have discussed, which further forms the embryo, and the outer layer that we have discussed here of the cells that collectively called as the trophoblast. Right, now this layer which surrounds the inner cell mass has a fluid filled cavity known as the blastocele. Right, so this layer of cells has a fluid filled cavity, right, which simply known as the blastocele. Right, so the trophoblast gave rise to the placenta. This layer, it gave rise to the placenta. Trophoblast, it gave rise to the placenta. And in case of the humans, the blastocyst formation begins about 5 days after the fertilization. So if we look at the option here, so option 1 says that the blastocyst forms placenta even before implantation. So this is not possible because it is the initiation of the implantation when the blastocyst gets embedded or comes in contact with the uterine wall. So this is wrong. Then human male produces one type of gamete, so this has no correlation here with the blastocyst. Then it gets implanted in the endometrium by the trophoblast cell. So this is what we have discussed here, that when it gets implanted in the endometrium, it gets implanted by the outer layer of cells which is called as the trophoblast cells. So this is our correct answer here, and the trophoblast cells get differentiated as the embryo. No, these are not the trophoblast cells. These are the inner cell mass, right, that gets differentiated as the embryo. So the correct answer here is option 3, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.